Good morning, YouTube. So today I'm gonna meet a friend of mine, like an online friend of mine. So finally, like we're meeting for the first time technically, but yeah, that's kind of like we've been planning for this from last almost 3 months, and finally आज वो दिन आ गया जब मैं बैठ रहा हूँ and I'm heading to meet her. So like आगे की information मैं आपको बाइक पे देता हूँ. Oh, my uncle is walking and he's giving me a stare. Oh, me bad. Focus. Yeah. So बाकी की information मैं आपको बाइक पे देता हूँ. Bye. यार सुबह की राइड का मजा ओहो एंड इट्स विंटर्स मतलब ठंडी तो वैसे है नहीं बट स्टिल सो या टुडेस जर्नी इज गोइंग टू बी टिल टिटवाला एंड इट्स नॉट दैट फार इट्स हार्डली 60-65 किलोमीटर्स एंड विल बी गोइंग वाया ठाणे कल्याण एंड या टिटवाला so pretty sorted yeah it's 6:47 right now मतलब अगर मैं घर से निकला हूँ 3-4 मिनट पहले 6:45 1 hour 30 minutes probably or 1 hour 45 minutes as per Google is showing 1 hour 45 minutes so yeah roughly around 8:30 we should be there yeah 8:30 we should be there ऐसे इसमें लॉन्ग रन करने में भाई साहब क्या मज़ा आता इट इज़ सर्टेनली द परफेक्ट वेदर तुम्हें थकान नहीं होगी योर बॉडी इज़ नॉट एग्जॉस्टेड इट्स नाइस प्लेजेंट ब्रीज विच इज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली फ्लोइंग इनसाइड यू ओहो बाइक भी खुश Guys, I was seeing something and I really want you to witness that. But यहाँ पे बीच में पेड़ बहुत सारे हैं. Hopefully आगे के टर्न के बाद we can see it. And we are in Thane. एक मिनट ये सिग्नल क्रॉस हो जाए ओ भाई साहब yeah and we are in Thane it's 7:11 actually once like we are taking that left turn for Kalyan वहाँ से Kalyan will be max 20 minutes yeah 20 मिनट के ऊपर तो नहीं होना चाहिए but of course we have to go उसके आगे so yeah that's quite more half an hour or so because it's not on highway it's गाँव का रास्ता and we have turned towards the Kalyan road okay so far there was no traffic but now yeah मेरा experience कुछ अच्छा नहीं रहा इस road के साथ but yeah it's a new day new experience new journey oh yeah I can see empty road fantastic oh bhai okay yes yeah once we are crossing this Kalwa it's way better yeah of course I even want to thank my all 110 friends and followers I know it's a very funny number it's just 110 but it's 110 for me and I actually love all of you thank you for subscribing me yeah thumbs up अरे भाई जाने दे यार it's kind of a very slow and steady motivation for me हर बार जब वो एक नंबर बढ़ता है surprisingly it is a nice feeling so honestly thank you everyone well I've crossed a good amount of distance let me just cross check मुझे right कहाँ से लेना है surprisingly my right hand is itching yeah ये पाइप भी आ रहा है let me see a right spot where I can actually stop और ये क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर I guess Kalyan pass हो चुका yeah we have crossed Kalyan and it's just 7:32 good timing Omkar good timing fantastic okay I guess this is the right spot where I can actually stop and see where exactly I have to go oh yeah पहुंच गए यार this is the route I have to go from here straight hello someone is staring at me which is interesting and Yeah. अब मुझे ये रोड नहीं पता. Like I'm coming on this road for the first time. I just hope it's interesting. Well, the road is actually very pretty, huh? Well, of course, it's a single lane road, but still. Starting में थोड़े speed breakers मिले, but right now it's pretty nice. Well cemented road. At least I can maintain the speed of 65-70, which is not bad. I guess I should be on my destination by, say, I don't know, like by 8:15, which we were expecting anyways. Allstant High School. Yeah, we should be there by 8:15, or maybe before that. As per Google, we should have been reaching there. Like, अगर Google की माने तो हम लोग को वहाँ पहुँचना चाहिए था 8:30 को. So we anyways planned like reaching 15 minutes before that. And let's see actual time कब तक पहुँचते हैं. It's still 7:45, 46 actually, yeah. And this is the last stretch that we are going on to. यार I feel ये अंदर का रोड ज़्यादा बेटर है compared to actual highway. At least खड्डे नहीं है यहाँ पर. The only drawback is it's a single lane road, but trust me, काफ़ी अच्छा बनाया. मुझे इससे ज़्यादा गड्ढे तो एक्चुअल हाईवे पे मिले थे. Wow, that is fantastic. भाई क्या रोड है. भाई ऐसे रोड पे तो मेरी मॉर्निंग राइड वसूल हो गई. व्हाट अ लवली रोड. Okay. I was too hopeful too soon. Oh bhai. Finally I'm here. Like way before time. I guess like 8:15 मैं पहुंच चुका था यहाँ पे. And my friend should be coming in next 5-10 minutes max. So yeah, that's about it. I'm waiting for her. ये दोनों लड़ाई कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. I don't know for what reason, but yeah. Quite a good morning. Like it's quite pleasant. Ride करने में मज़ा आया. The road was okay-ish, but weather अच्छा था, इसलिए मैं खुश था. I'll see you in some time. So that's our chai, and that's Meenal. Okay, she's shooting me. I'm shooting her. It's quite funny. You can show your face, like तुझा mask नहीं covered है. So that's how. Oh yeah.
चैनल से नाम
क्या है?
चॅनलचं नाव काय?
Travel with Omkar.
ॲक्च्युली मला ओमकार माहिती होतं.
हाँ.
मग ते ट्रॅव्हल विथ ओमकार. हाय फ्रेंड्स.
चाय पी लो. So yeah, it's pleasant morning. Finally Meenal is here. देखते हैं हम लोग टिटवाला में फिलहाल चाय पी रहे हैं. सुबह के टाइम में मुझे भूख भी बहुत लगी थी. What's the plan?
Actually, I don't travel much.
So basically we have no plans. Omi, we need to start making plans because yeah. But let's see, we'll figure out something. पहले चाय पी लो कुछ यार. Again, I will see you in some time. So when you finally meet your online friend for the first time, तुम कहाँ जाओगे? Look at this spot. By the way, this spot is like, you know, spotted by Meenal while going on bike. So I just compliment that quality of hers. It's nice. It's peaceful. Thandi hai. Oh. Yeah.
So I'm proud of myself.
Oh, by the way, yeah. So the idea is, I'm shooting from my side this first meeting vlog. Meenal is shooting from her side. Even she's meeting me, like, of course, we are meeting for the first time. And she's shooting her narrative from her side, and she has a very much kind of an, like, you know, over voice over, kind of a nice cinematic narration. Mera काफ़ी, you know, candid, no plans, going with the flow. Yeah. So please watch out her channel as well. Like I'll put it down into description. Yeah.
It's Mini Minal.
It's what?
Mini Minal.
Mini
Channel
Minal.
name.
Yeah.
Mini Minal. MINIMINAL. Thank you.
Right. It's Mini Minal. Okay. I'll anyways put it in the description. So let's see. We're having pretty much chill time right now. Bhaji pav बहुत सही था. चाय बहुत अच्छी थी. And now we have no plans. You gotta start making plans. You should make plans.
आलू काय? आलू पाव. Sorry.
No, no, no.
आलू भजी पाव.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
We made it.
No, it's a basic thing.
अच्छा.
Yeah, so when you are like I've been eating it since school time. Like batatachi bhaji, which is aloo bhaji, basically aloo bhaji and pav with chutney. It's yummy.
मी ॲक्च्युली ऐकलं होतं म्हणजे व्लॉग काइंड ऑफ. तर तिथे लिहिलं होतं की म्हणजे मुंबईमधले लोक कशामध्ये पण पाव टाकतात म्हणजे काही पण वस्तू पावामध्ये टाकतात आणि मग खातात. हे खरंच वाटतं मला.
Yeah, that's true. Like Bombay people love pav. Like it's okay, yaar. Yeah, we love it.
अच्छा.
Like we can have samosa with pav, we can have vada pav with pav, we can have bhaji with pav, we can have bhaji with pav, we can have what all?
अंडा पाव,
Anda pav, exactly.
भुर्जी पाव.
Oh yeah, bhurji pav.
हम्म.
Like we can have pav anywhere, and trust me, it's okay, yaar. It's just that, like, you know how things have evolved in Bombay. Long history behind that. It's okay, but I love it. Okay, so meanwhile, let's see. I'll just try helping shoot her vlog as well, and I'll see you again sometime. Meanwhile,
बाय बाय.
okay. Well, that's Meenal. She's making her side vlog, and for that, you have to subscribe to her channel. यार तेरी चैनल में बोल देना यार to subscribe me please. जय माता दी, let's rock.
जय माता दी. काय म्हणू मी? सबस्क्राईब टू ट्रॅव्हल विथ ओमकार.
They are already seeing it.
सबस्क्राईब पण नाही करता येत.
अच्छा ओके ठीक
नाही
आहे.
नाही, ते म्हणायलाच पाहिजे ना. तू पण म्हणतोय तर मी पण म्हणेन.
Subscribe it, comment it, share it. अजून काय असतं? And like it. And that's how the second vlog is getting made.
Exactly.
Quite interesting, and my helmet is still safe.
Wow.
Wow.
That's achievement.
So finally हमने breakfast कर लिया था, lunch कर लिया. The day has gone pretty well. Now we're just chilling out over here, and yeah, I hope like we tried doing something new. You love this vlog. Meanwhile, that's about all I'd like to end my vlog over here. And you guys stay safe, stay healthy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Damn.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Like. And क्या होता?
Share.
Share. And yeah, even to her. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.